guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to use the app in conjunction with the clock. And for that we have a app here in my cell phone, which is my ride from Yamaha, which I already connected. And to connect to the motorcycle you need the VIN number of the motorcycle or the QR code. So the VIN number, it's here underneath the seat. The QR code, I didn't find it, so it probably is on the documentation that they gave you. And as you can see, it says connected, it says my name, and this is the information that I have about the motorcycle. So we have rides, we can explore other people's rides, okay? So if you want to do some travel and you have no ideas, you can see what other people are doing. You have your own rides, and then you can have favorites. Motorcycles, it's the information about the motorcycle, total ride 0, the kilometers, the odometer, battery, oil and consumption level, and tested it's nothing, and previous it's nothing. Then profile, where you adapt your profile and your information, and find a dealer. You can find a Yamaha dealer closer to you. Bluetooth settings, and here you can decide which temperatures you want in Celsius, Fahrenheit, metrics, whatever. And basically you have this information here, and whenever you want to record the ride, you simply press the start riding button. Okay, it changes for this information, and you have leaning angles and lots of information: distance, altitude, current speed, average speed, and the leaning angle of the motorcycle. So we're gonna record a ride very simply. So we just have to I don't have anything to hold my phone here, so I'll just put on my gloves, put the phone here, and try to show you a little bit how it works. Okay, I'm receiving a phone call, look, and there is information there that I received a phone call. Really nice. It automatically answered because I'm listening on my headset. Hello. 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 Olha, agora manda uma mensagem. Tá bem? Vá. Beijinhos. Okay, I just received a phone call from my wife, and I asked her to send me a message. So there's the information there. So let me see, when she sends me a text message, it should be appear there information that I'm receiving a text message. Let's see if that's true or not. So put the phone on the pocket, wait a little bit, just go for a small ride. Okay, this is the start and stop. I'll turn around here. So far, no messages. Guys, this is how the system works. It won't be very different from this, and this is all I wanted to show you on this small video, to show you the new things that you can do with your NMax, and all the things that is available on this beautiful scooter now in 2021. Having said this, look, did the idle stop just start, or the start stop system just engaged? Don't forget my partnership with CarTrack, where you can have the GPS tracker for your motorcycle with the first month free, link down in the description, only in Portugal. And also don't forget the contest I'm doing in Portugal for where you can win the Benelli BN 125. If you buy some merchandise for the channel or some vouchers, you are able to win those this beautiful motorcycle. Having said this, guys, please don't forget, subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell below, follow my other networks, and I really hope I can see you in the next one.